What is up guys, done at the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your Google Calendar for meeting, events and tasks. Is it better than Calendly? I'll show you this in this video. This is a beginners friendly tutorial on how to do it. So first you need to head over to your browser search bar and then you just simply need to write Google Calendar. You can open your Google Calendar from here or you can open it from this Google Apps. Click on this waffle-like icon. This will open all the Google Apps and from here you can select the calendar. After selecting the calendar, on the left side, you can see this create option. Click on that. And if you want to create an event, click on this event. And then you just simply need to add a title. And after that, you have some more options. When you click on more options here, you have the event details, like to add the location, whatever your location you're keeping the event at, you can add the location and then you can add the time zone all the time. You can also repeat this task on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, whatever you'd like, or on a monthly or annually basis, or you can just custom your own task or repeatedness. And when you have done all the settings, simply click on save. And after that, the event will be saved. And as you can see, I have chosen the repetitive task to daily. So as you can see, daily at this time, the event will remind me and I have to do this event. And now let's create something new. When I click on create, I'll now create a task. When I click on task here, I need to enter my task name and then I just simply need to click on save. After that, as you can see, the task test has been created. And then you can also schedule your appointment. This is the most important step. So just watch it carefully, click on create and then click on appointment schedule. Now here in the new page, you can set your appointment schedule according to your vision requirements. First, you need to add the title. I'm adding the title and then you just need to select the appointment duration. I'll choose 15 minutes or let's say I'll choose 45 minutes. As you can see, the squares are changing according to the appointment duration. And if you want to repeat it weekly or if you don't want to repeat it, or when you click on custom, you can just repeat every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or every 1 week, let's say, whatever you'd like, you can. Or if you don't want it, you can just simply click on does not repeat. So the event will be created for a single time. And this, you just simply need to choose a date and then you need to add a time. And then you need to choose the time zone, like what country are you keeping the schedule for. You need to choose that particular time zone. And then here in the scheduling window, you need to schedule it like maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. So if you have kept it like 60 days, let's say, so the appointment will be booked 60 days prior before it's happening, and the minimum time before the appointment starts that it can be booked, like it's 4 hours. You can increase or decrease that according to your vision requirements. And when you click on this booked appointment settings here, you can just choose the buffer time and then you can add a time between the appointment slots. If you want to add some buffer time in between the slots, you can add it. And then when you just click on maximum bookings per day, you can just select the maximum booking per day and it won't take more than that bookings. And when you click on this calendars here, you can choose the calendars and you can just simply check on this checkbox to check the calendars for availability. When you are done, simply click on next. And after that, you just simply need to enter the description and this is the booking form. When you open this, you need to enter the first name, last name and required email address. Like you have added these items. So the other user who is registering for their appointment, he or she needs to enter their first name, last name, and the email address. And if you want to add another item, you can click on add an item, and then you can add a phone number or a custom item if you have. You just simply need to name it. Like let's say I am choosing roll number, and after that I can choose this as a required field or not. I'll keep it as an optional field and click on add item. And as you can see, the custom item has been added. And when you click on booking confirmation and reminders, you need to make sure that this checkbox is checked. And when you're done, simply click on save. And then this is how you can book your appointment schedule settings, or you can basically book your appointment schedule. And after that, when you are done, a small pop-up will appear wherein you can just simply open the booking page, or you can see all the booking pages. And if you want to share it, you can just simply click on the share button and then you can copy this custom link and share it to the members whom you want to get invited. And if you want to embed it in a website, you can just click on this and then in this button will pop up. You will see this booking with appointment. Just simply copy this code here you can see this code. Simply click on copy code and then you can just embed it into your software or into your website. Or if you want to embed it into your inline booking page, you can copy this code and then you can embed it here on your software. When you are done, simply click on done, and then your appointment schedule has been set. As you can see, this is the one. And when you click it on here, you will open all the information. And if you want to delete it, you can just simply click on this trash icon to delete it. Or if you want to edit something, you can click on this edit appointment schedule. So this is how you can use Google Calendar for setting appointment schedules. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.